All right, good morning, guys. Jason here, The Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it is the, 31st of August. It is the last day of August. So I don't know where August went, but man, it flew by. So yeah, we're continuing the porch skirting. This is episode 2. It'll probably be, I don't know how many part series this is and how long it's going to take me, but the main goal today is to finish the skirting here on the back side, and then we're going to go on the other side of the house there. And that shouldn't take us too long. We're just going to have to move some equipment over, maybe get the generator out, get some electric over there. But yeah, so right now, where we left off, you know, I think we're just going to leave this open for now. This is where eventually a deck will go. But right now I'm just working over here in this section, trying to add some more structure in here. I added new wood going across and a new piece right there. I'm going to add one more vertical here and one more vertical there, because that's kind of a big run, and I just want to give it some extra structure. That way it doesn't, flop or bend or sag or anything. So that's where we're at. So hopefully we'll get this done. I'm hoping to get this done by lunch or a little bit after lunch, and then hopefully get back and split some wood, and then hopefully we'll probably go for a bike ride tonight, date night, Saturday night. Yeah, Maggie, it's Labor Day weekend here. The weather hasn't been too great. Right now it's kind of cloudy. I could see some fog out in the distance by the bay towards the ocean area. So for anybody vacationing down here for Labor Day, man, I feel bad for you. I wish you had really sunny weather. I'm not even sure if tomorrow is going to be any better, because I think we're looking for a little bit of rain. So hope you're making the best out of it if you're down here vacationing. So, but yeah, Maggie's been working, I think she's working 3 doubles this weekend. Because she works 2 jobs, so she's working morning and night, I think yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So yeah, she's been just busy. So yeah, so let's get cutting, and let's get this finished, and we'll move on to something else. Here we go. All right, guys, got this first post placed here. See if we can get a screw in here. But this past week, I had this crazy dream. I had a dream, it felt so real. I thought it was going to actually come true. I actually had a dream that we won the lottery. I remember I showed Charlene the ticket. We saw it on the news. We saw the matching numbers. It felt so real. But when I played the lottery last night, I didn't win. So it's kind of a bummer. I was telling about the lottery story. We didn't win, hon. Last night the Mega Moons was like 635 million. And we only got one number. I got 5 tickets, I got one number. And it wasn't even a good number. It was just a regular ball number. All right, that one's done. All right, guys, we're on the last section here in the back of the house. Do our best here. Get these all lined up. Okay, guys, so here's what's going on. We got the back pretty much all done, except this one piece here at the very bottom, which already cut. We left it back there, but that piece of concrete's in the way. So we're still not sure what's going to happen back here, but we're just going to leave it like that for now. And if we decide to put a patio in here or a deck or move the clothesline pole, we'll go ahead and deal with that at that time. But we're just going to keep moving on. We'll go around the side of the house. Yeah, by the way, new shirt. It's so humid today, I sweated through the first one. So yeah, so we're just going to do a little bit of cleanup. I got the Pioneer out. We're going to grab some of this old wood and put it in the fire pit. And we got to move a lot of the tools on the other side of the house. So we got the generator there. That way we just keep everything in one location. And that's that. Pretty cool. Yeah, most of this wood here is pretty much rotten. It's pretty old. A lot of it got eaten up. So we'll just burn it. Yeah, but so far this little Pioneer's been great. I had a comment that the shifting would get better after a while, so thanks to whoever left that. I think they had a 2023 model. And they said after so many miles that it'll get better on the shifting. So that was good to hear. All right, I'm just gonna pile this stuff under here. Not sure if you guys can see that. Can you see what's on the driveway? Those are all leaves. All leaves. Yeah, some of the trees are starting to turn already. It looks like some of the poplar trees. But yeah, I guess fall's on its way. All right, now we're gonna grab some of the new material and we're gonna take it around to the other side. All right, guys, I gotta back up next to the house here. See how this goes. So far, I'm off to a rocky start. A real rocky start. That was pretty embarrassing. All right, let's try again. Yeah, it's good? I think we're good. All right, guys, Sherilyn, she's go ahead and we're gonna remove the old lattice and then we'll put up all new whiteboards. Probably have to do a little bit of structure inside because the material I have left over, we'll probably have to cut, we'll have 3 sections here just to use up all the material because it was expensive, even though I did save money on the big sheet. But that's the game plan here. We'll get this off. We'll start working on structure. All right, guys, I'm gonna take out all this old structure, put new stuff in. All right, good to go. It's all right. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the last board. I got to finish one. Hold on. No. Should be it. All right. We are done. That is it. Guys, Charlene's putting the last touch on over there. We're just putting like a little tiny, it's the fence that was there before, so just so Luna doesn't get out. But yeah, it looks pretty good. We're pretty excited here. Luna's looking really nice next to it. But yeah, so we're all done. Porch skirting is done for now. We'll figure out the patio steps, and then I'll maybe the next month I'll start working on the door. It's gonna go for the crawl space. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. It's around 2 o'clock. I'm gonna grab some lunch, get a cup of coffee, and we'll probably enjoy the rest of the day. So, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.